Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to embed your Twitter list into your website using SociableKIT and the website builder WordPress. First, we're going to the official page of SociableKIT, and from here, if you haven't created your account yet, you can sign up, and if you have already have your account, just click this login button. And from here, we're gonna have to click this create widget button, and if you click this, it will always redirect you to the creation of widget page. And from here, we're gonna have to select our widget type, and that widget type is Twitter list. Here it is, and it says here that we have to paste our Twitter list. And what is our Twitter list ID? Now, going to our Twitter, from here we're going to use this Twitter list. The title of the list is niche site SEO. So what is our Twitter list ID? Now this is our Twitter list ID. We can copy this, or we can copy the whole URL. So if we paste it here, it will always convert it into the Twitter list ID. Here it is, and now we're going to click next. Now this is our Twitter list feed. You can double check it into your Twitter list page, so you can see which are the feeds that is applied. And now we're going to customize it and moderate it using the tabs located at the left side of our screen, this, and I'm going to highlight some of them. First, we're going to the themes tab. In here, there are different kinds of default theme, and each of this theme has its own color combination. So for example, this Maayos theme, this color combination, if I click yes, should be applied into our feed. And as you can see, now our feed is in Maayos theme, which is far more less brighter, which in my case, I can easily read it, I can easily see it. Next, in the post tab, in here you can change your layout, your post count and your column count, and enable some retweets, enable links, or you can redirect your audience into your Twitter feed. Now you can also change the layout. For example, I can change it into grid, and we can change the post height or the post count into 20 and the column count 2. And if we click save changes, this should change from masonry layout into grid layout and only 2 columns. Now as you can see, it is now in 2 columns, and it's also in the grid layout. Now moving on into the colors tab. In here, if you didn't find the color theme in the themes tab that fits your website or your business, you can always choose the color manually. So you can change the post secondary font color, the post background color, the font color, and so on. You can manually change it depending on the color theme of your website. Now, moving on into our fonts tab. In here, we can change our font family. For example, from Center Gothic, I'm going to change it into Allegria Sans. And if I click Save Changes, this should change from Center Gothic into Allegria Sans font family. As you can see, it is now in the different font, and if you are happy with it, you can move on into our last tab, which is the CSS tab. And in here, if you have any kinds of design or custom CSS that you want to put or embed into your feed, you can paste it here. Now we're going to embed this into our website. First, we're going to click this embedded website button, and if you click this, we're gonna have to select our website builder, which is WordPress. Now it will open up this step-by-step instruction on how to embed this into our WordPress. Now we're going to copy the code first, and going to our WordPress, you can embed your feed into an existing page or in a new page, which we will do. Now we're going to add a title first. So for example, niche site SEO list or Twitter list. And now we're going to add a custom HTML block, and we're going to paste the JavaScript code in here. Now that is basically it. You can publish it to see the Twitter list feed, or you can preview it first so you can check if there are any errors that you want to change, or you want any minor details to change, and so on. Now we're going to publish the feed so we can fully see what it looks like in the eyes of the audience or your client. And as you can see, now this is our Twitter list feed. Now it is quite large because the site is very empty. The website is very empty, so it can resize on its own, or you can change it manually um, from the customization page in the SociableKIT. And that is all, guys. As you can see, everything that is in here, everything that we changed and we customized, is also saved in here. Now thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys like and subscribe, and ring that notification bell down below, so you are updated into our new videos, video tutorials from our different kinds of widgets. And I'll catch you guys in the next video tutorial.